Welcome to Second Grade Investigations, Operation Habitat. Here we provided some tools for you to foster critical thinking in your second grade classroom. Here we see an example of a science notebook. By using science notebooks, teachers are able to use these as a tool. This tool will help the students learn how to not only record, reflect, but also to further write about their investigations. Teachers can comment and also use these science notebooks as a way to provide informal assessments. One way to use the science journal is to do this experiment, teaching the students about how exactly blubber works. All they need to do is to put their hand inside a bag filled with Crisco. They then are able to dip it inside freezing water. This way, the student is able to understand how exactly the blubber keeps the warmth. This is a great thing that they can write about in their science notebooks. You can also respond, ask them further questions, and be able to see if they were really learning. Experiments are fun, but discussions help you really see if the students are able to use their critical thinking skills to discuss the things that they are reading about. A wonderful site is readworks.org. This allows you to find informational text about whatever subject you are studying. Here, for example, we would be reading about invaders of the ecosystem. This article can be differentiated for multiple reading levels, so the students can still all have discussions, no matter what level they are reading at. When it comes time for group projects, we really need to make sure that we're getting the most out of it. Students should be able to bounce ideas off of each other, be able to work together. We provide a video on our website that walks teachers through how to foster this in their classroom. Being able to problem solve is an important part of critical thinking. Working together in a group to solve a problem will help the students be able to work on these skills. One of the best ways to make sure that the students are actually performing the task that has been asked of them is to use the model of I do, you do, we do. This is important and able to get their attention, be able to make sure that they are retaining what is being taught, that they can produce the things that they have learned, and also helps as a motivator because they will feel successful. Students need to imitate someone else when learning so that they know what they are doing. The best person to imitate is you. Let's not forget creativity. Students often find the most out of learning when they can be creative. We have found an excellent homework assignment where students are able to create their own animal. They can then present this in class and be able to share the things that they have thought about.